How to use your HTML editor. From the product page, below the product image, you'll see a section for description where you can put text. You can add additional images here. In addition, we have a specification and a lot of other areas to put text. From the admin, if you just navigate to your product, under long description is where we just saw the text under the description section. When you click on the HTML editor link button, this will open up more of a WYSIWYG style view. And here it works just like any other basic text editor, such as Microsoft Word and so on. You can add horizontal lines. You can add additional images by clicking this image icon here, insert edit image. It'll search your server for images, or you can upload one here. You can add other elements. You can center, left align, add bullet point lists, numbered lists, and so on. Add bold, underline, and italic. So here's where you do all your formatting. You want to keep as much as possible styled by your style sheet and limit how much extra styling you do in your description section. But this is a great overview just to show you how to use an HTML editor. This editor is also utilized in a lot of other areas throughout the admin.